Good morning students. In this class we discuss on electromagnetic relay. So first we discuss what is electromagnet. Electromagnet. When we supply, when a coil is connected to the electric supply, then due to current flowing in the coil, magnet is produced in the core of This magnet is known as electromagnet. Simply, if there is a coil and we connect this coil with the electric supply, then a current is flowing in the coil, due to which magnet is produced in the core of the coil or in the air gap of the coil. So this magnet is known as electromagnet. Suppose this is the core, then magnet produced in this core or flux produced in this core is known as electromagnetic flux. So this type of coils have relays have hinged, moving armature, electromagnet or relay coil. Now the construction of this type of relay is in the construction of this relay, it consists of electromagnetic part, hinged, moving armature and metallic contacts. Spring, stop, toe trip, relay coil, input supply, relay coil, flux produce phi, armature moving part, hinge. So this is the construction of electromagnetic attraction type relay. So in this type of relay, it consists of a core, iron core, relay coil, armature, hinge, spring control, and moving part. Working of this relay: working of this electromagnetic attraction type relay is based on attraction. First, we connect the relay coil with the input supply, due to which flux is produced in the core, and this flux, due to this flux, a magnet is produced in the core. This magnet attracts the metallic contacts, due to which moving part of the coil is come in contact with the trip circuit, due to which signal is sent to the circuit breaker, and circuit breaker isolate the circuit. So working is, we supply to the, we connect relay coil to the input supply, then due to current flow, in the coil, and magnet is produced in the core. Magnet is produced in the core. This magnet attracts to the moving contact or moving part, attracts to the moving contacts, or we can say metallic contacts. Which come in contact with trip circuit, tripping contacts. Result: signal is sent to trip circuit of circuit breaker, Results: it isolate the faulty part from the rest of the system. Now, the operating force on moving contact depends on the magnitude of flux phi or current flowing in the supply or in the relay coil. So simply operating force operating force operating force F is directly proportional to square of current, or we can say that if supply is AC supply, then it is directly proportional to Im sin omega t square, or F is equal to K Im square sin square omega t. Since we know that sin square omega t is equal to 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon 2. So F is equal to K Im square by 2 minus K Im square cos 2 omega t divided by 2. So there are two parts of the force. One is independent of time and second is double frequency component. Due to this double frequency component, armature of the coil gets vibrated. So this vibration is avoided using restraining spring. So we can say that Im square upon 2 K part 1 is constant and independent of time, but K Im square cos 2 omega t depends on time. It is double frequency component. It is double frequency component due to which armature of the coil, moving armature, gets double frequency torque, double frequency force, which creates vibrations in the armature operation. So this vibration is avoided using control spring. So we can say that restraining torque against vibrations is obtained from spring. Is obtained from spring control. This is the construction and working of and operation of electromagnetic attraction type relay. In this way, electromagnetic relays are electromagnetic relays are uh, of two types. One is attraction type, and second is induction type. So we have discussed about attraction type relay. So next is induction type electromagnetic relay. Induction type electromagnetic relay. Induction type electromagnetic relay. Working principle of induction type relay is based on working principle is based on split phase induction motor. Split phase induction motor. Working principle is based on split phase induction motor. Operating force is developed on moving part which may be disc or rotor. In induction type relay, the working principle is based on electromagnetic induction. This type of principle is also used in split phase induction motors. So in split phase induction motors, there are two coils, and the flux in coil 1 is phi m sin omega t, and flux in coil 2 is phi m sin omega t minus theta. So where theta is the phase displacement, between phi 1 and phi 2, between phi 1 and phi 2. The net torque T is directly proportional to phi 1 dot phi 2 into sine of theta. It means the operating torque of this type of relay depends on flux phi 1, phi 2 and sine of theta. So thank you for today class.